Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I ordered Suitcase Samsonite. I want us to unbox. This suitcase is Upscape 4-wheel hard shell large suitcase. This suitcase will help you to get ready for your next travel adventure with Upscape large suitcase from Samsonite. Scratch resistance hard shell casing, keeping your belongings protected, and the zip fastening is punctured resistance for extra protection. It has globally recognized TSA locking system. You can lock up your valuable while still allowing access for custom and security staff. Inside, you will find zip up section, packing straps to ensure everything stay organized. It is 4-wheel design and adjustable pull handle make navigating the airport or railway station easy. It's expandable, weighs an ultra light 3.4 kg. In terms of the weight, 3.4 kg, height is 75 cm, width 33 cm, length 51 cm. Key features: security zip, double reinforced puncture resistance zip for added strength and security. Packing strap, zip compartment. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. See what it looks like. So with security key and the wheels, this is good quality. The outside is rubber, so this is rubber. I like the 4 wheels. So put this way. Then if you want to open it, push it to open. What it looks like. You have a secure strap. Got this unit here. See what it looks like, and this is secure here. Zip to extend it, so you can extend this part as well. Just need to open up the zip to extend it. Okay, so this is what we have here. Samsonite. This is the handle. So the handle got 2 levels. First one, the second one. Yeah. So guys, this is what we have here. Highly recommended. Thank you.